Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are keeping well. May Allah bless you. As my promise, I am here with all the ingredients that we need to make our desserts. It will just take 5 minutes only. So suji and sugar should be equal amount, some crushed almonds and cardamom for fragrance. We soak the suji in the milk. Leave it there for 10 to 15 minutes. Here we have a pan and I'm going to add some oil and few cardamoms. In this dish, the one thing good is that whatever oil you are going to use in, it will get separated and you can just spare it from your dessert. So we add the sugar because we have to caramelize this sugar. But don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Be with me till the end of the video. For this process we have to be very careful. We have to get golden color like caramel, and if we cook it a little extra, chances of burning are higher. So be careful at this point and do this process at a low flame. We are almost there. Our sugar is fully dissolved and turning its color. I want to get a deep gold color for better flavor, which we are getting. We are almost there. I'm showing you step by step the changing process of the sugar. Step by step you can see the color changing process and it's done. Without wasting time, now we add our soaked suji. In that point, keep flame medium and start mixing. When we add mixture, first sugar get hardened as you can see, but slowly it starts to combine with each other. But if you feel there are any lumps, just flatten them with the help of spoon. It's very quick and very delicious. You can see very fast it's combined together and oil is getting separate already. All the oil we can keep on one side and then we just add some crushed almonds in it. Just mix them well. You must believe so, like me, that simple is the best. To enjoy, garnish it with almonds. Keep it as your tea time delight. You can store it in the fridge for 1 week to 10 days and have it whenever you want. It's really beautiful and delicious. Health is wealth. We are having some turmeric milk with a teaspoon of honey to have a better system to fight with disease and to keep a peaceful mind and have a sound sleep. Today's dinner is my son's choice. He want to have some soup. I'm making ABC soup. Whatever you have at home in veggies, just add with some chicken, some garlic, some ginger, turmeric, and the salt and pepper. Stay connected, don't go anywhere. I'm going to make another snack recipe for you. You can have it with tea or you can enjoy it anytime. But it's very quick. It makes with the very simple ingredient like just you have a 2 or 3 potato at home, you can make it. Cover the lid and leave it for 25 minutes. Here is my today's purchase that is worth sharing. Normally When I cook at home, I never measure my spices, but now because I share my recipes with you guys, now I can always measure so I can give you the proper quantity of things and spices that we need in our recipes. Hope you like my idea to making our life convenient. Here I am making a snack, very simple, very delicious. Just take like 3 potatoes boiled, peeled, then half cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg with some chopped coriander. Here is a salt, 1 teaspoon and a half teaspoon. It's totally up to your taste. You some people like less salt, some like more, so just according to your taste. Then some black pepper, a teaspoon of coriander, a half teaspoon of oregano. We have to mix them and mash them, combine them well to make our delicious snack. If you are a veggie lover, you can always add some like carrots, grated carrots, or some capsicum, very thinly sliced. Any kind of veggie you have, you can add. Just now grease the, we have to use the oil, no water. Grease your hands with oil and start to make shapes, any shapes you like, to show the artist hidden in you. Here I have given them shape according to my choice and the soup is ready. I'm just adding some black pepper and we start frying our potato cutlets or tea time delight. Just add them in the pan one by one, fry them from one side and then flip the side, fry it from the other side, and your beautiful delicious snack is ready. Trust me, aroma is so good and the fragrance is everywhere. My children are coming and asking me what's this smell is, because the smell is really good. Nothing like a healthy and delicious snack. So stay connected. Don't go anywhere. See you again. Bye bye.